is a custom chemical manufacturing operation, and we've been in the Charlotte, North Carolina area for about 50 years.
ArroChem is unique that it doesn't service just one industry. We do focus on B2B and not B2C, but we offer our services anywhere from textiles to metalworking to industrial cleaning, so we're very versatile in our offerings.
ArroChem is a boutique chemical company that treats all of their customers like they are their only customer, whether it's a 1-drum order or a 100-drum order. That's what makes ArroChem one of the world's greatest.